What if you could unlock the secret to a life so profound, so meaningful, that even a single hour of your day outshines the endless grind of others? Picture this, just 2 or 3 hours of pure, unshakable focus, where the chaos of the world fades and your mind becomes a blazing torch of clarity. In this noisy, distracted age, where screens scream for our attention and shallow thoughts drown our potential, there's a forgotten art, a philosophy that can transform you into a thinker, a creator, a soul who rises above the ordinary. That art is deep contemplation. It's not just a practice, it's a rebellion against a world that wants you scattered. Today I'm diving into this life-altering idea, its value, its rarity, and the 4 timeless principles to make it yours. Are you ready to step into a wiser, bolder version of yourself? Let's begin. Imagine a question that haunts every seeker of truth. Why do we toil endlessly yet feel so empty? You felt it, haven't you? The hours slipping away, lost in trivialities, leaving nothing eternal behind. That's because we've abandoned depth for distraction. Deep contemplation is the antidote, sitting with a single idea, wrestling with it, letting it bloom without the buzz of a phone or the pull of a ping. Philosophers like Seneca knew this. True wisdom comes when you silence the noise and dive into the abyss of thought. In an era where attention is a battlefield, those who master this craft don't just think, they thrive. They craft ideas that echo through time, while the rest chase fleeting shadows. Think of it. 1 hour of deep thought could birth a revelation that 10 hours of scrolling never will. Why is this so rare? Look around. Our world worships the shallow. We're tethered to devices, jumping from one fleeting buzz to the next. Once, thinkers like Nietzsche could sit beneath a tree, lost in reflection for hours. Now, we can't last 5 minutes without a screen. Our jobs demand instant replies. Our lives crave constant updates. Shallow thinking, endless emails, mindless chats has become our default. Yet, here's the twist. This rarity makes depth priceless. In a sea of noise, the one who dares to think deeply becomes a lighthouse, a beacon of insight in a distracted storm. Depth isn't just power, it's destiny. When you contemplate without interruption, your mind sharpens, ideas connect, truths emerge. History proves it. Socrates questioned relentlessly, unshaken by the crowd, and gave us the roots of Western thought. Today, depth can make you a master of philosophy, of life. It's not about working harder, it's about thinking smarter. In those quiet hours, you don't just ponder, you become. You feel the thrill of understanding, the joy of creation. That's the promise, a life not just lived, but felt, deeply, fully, triumphantly. Finally, oh, embrace the stillness. Don't run from it. Those quiet, restless moments when the world fades and you're alone with your soul, something magical happens. Your mind ignites. Ideas dance, questions deepen, and you feel alive with wonder. Boredom isn't your enemy, it's your muse. Walk without a phone, sit without a screen, let the silence whisper truths. To live this philosophy, make contemplation sacred. Block out the world, 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever you can steal, and guard it fiercely. Call it your philosopher's retreat. No notifications, no chatter, just you and your thoughts. Try this. Pick a question, what is happiness, and wrestle with it daily. Like Aristotle pacing his Lyceum, you'll find clarity in rhythm. Next, wage war on the shallow. Say no to the meaningless. Endless scrolling, petty tasks that clog your soul. Ask, does this matter to my purpose? If not, let it go. Your time is gold. Spend it on what elevates you. Imagine pruning a tree. Cut the weak branches and the strong ones soar. Social media, it's a thief in disguise. Control it or it controls you. Set boundaries, 15 minutes a day max. Uninstall the apps that chain you. Think of it as a stoic fast. Strip away the excess and your mind breathes free. Use tech to share wisdom, not to drown in noise. Deep contemplation isn't just a tool. Ascend this mountain of wisdom, and you'll stand among the rare who shape the world. Will you stay lost in the fog of distraction, or rise to clarity? Start today. Pick one principle, live it for a week, and watch your life shift. Share this with a friend. Ignite their journey too. Subscribe, hit the bell. Let's climb to wisdom together. One thought